Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make viral fried mac and cheese ball. Let's begin. Before we dive in, let's go over the ingredients you will need for this epic recipe. Water, macaroni, red cheddar cheese, flour, milk, butter, olive oil, salt, smoked paprika. Ingredients for frying the balls: frying oil, panko breadcrumbs, flour, eggs, cayenne chili powder, salt, black pepper. Now that we've got everything ready, let's start cooking. First, let's cook the pasta. Bring water to a boil, add olive oil and salt. The olive oil prevents sticking and the salt enhances the pasta's flavor. Once the water is boiling, add macaroni. Stir it well to prevent sticking and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until it's al dente. Now strain the pasta and save 75 grams of that starchy pasta water. This will make our cheese sauce extra creamy. Set the pasta aside for now. Next up, let's make the cheese sauce. In a pan, melt butter over medium heat. Once it's melted, add 25 grams of flour and stir continuously to make a roux. Cook the roux until it's light golden brown. Be careful not to overcook, as a darker roux can make the sauce taste bitter. Now add milk slowly, a little at a time. Whisking constantly to avoid lumps. To loosen the sauce, I am adding 40 grams of reserved pesto water. Stir it well until it's silky and smooth. Next, add a smoked paprika for a smoky depth of flavor. Stir that in. And here comes the best part: cheese. Add shredded red cheddar cheese and stir until it melts completely into the sauce. Finally, season with salt and black pepper to taste. And there you have it, our rich and creamy cheese sauce. Let's bring it all together. In a pot, add 250 grams of cheese sauce and fold in the cooked macaroni. Gently mix to coat every pieces in that sauce. Add 15 grams of chopped chives for a pop of flavor and color. And season with salt and pepper to taste. Once combined, spread the mac and cheese onto a tray. Flatten it out and chill it in the fridge for about 1 hour. This step makes it easier to form the balls later. Now let's prep our crispy coating. In a bowl, mix panko breadcrumbs, cayenne chili powder, salt and some black pepper. In another bowl, crack and whisk 3 eggs. Add in a third bowl, flour. Once the mac and cheese has chilled, shape it into balls. Here's how we coat them. Roll each ball in flour and coat evenly. Dip it into the whisk eggs. Roll it in the seasoned panko breadcrumbs. Once done, keep it in chiller 20 to 30 minutes. For extra crispiness, repeat the egg and breadcrumbs coating once more. Then freeze the balls in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. Now for the final step, frying. Heat oil in a pot over medium heat. To check if the oil is ready, look for tiny bubbles forming around. Take the frozen mac and cheese balls and carefully place them into the hot oil. Fry in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Turn them occasionally for even cooking and fry until they are golden brown and crispy. Once done, transfer them to a wire rack to drain any excess oil. And there you have it, crispy, cheesy, perfection. Plate them up, garnish with a sprinkle of chives and serve with your favorite dipping sauce like tomato ketchup or spicy mayo. These fried mac and cheese balls are crunchy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and absolutely addictive. This is comfort food heaven. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss another recipe from Inisu by Chef Chami. Until next time, happy cooking.